Climate change is real. Climate change is a greater risk to humanity than the pandemic ever will be.
Climate change is having serious impact on the world.
Climate change is a serious continuous problem.
Climate change has a big impact on us people.
The biggest threat that we are facing today is climate change. It's very dangerous if we don't tackle it because its consequences are deadly. Some people say that climate change is natural and we shouldn't worry. Also, we are partly neglecting it because the effect of changing climate tends to be invisible and incremental until they are suddenly disastrous.
Due to global warming, global climate models predict hurricanes will likely cause more intense rainfall and have an increased coastal flood risk.
The effect of climate change incorporate warming temperatures, changes in precipitation, expansions, and the recurrence or power of a few outrageous climate occasions, and rising ocean levels. These effects undermine our well-being by influencing the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we inhale, and the climate we experience.
There are two main reasons why climate change happens. First is the natural causes. Volcanic eruption, solar radiation, tectonic plates movement, and orbital fluctuation are among them. Second is the human causes. Man has done numerous things that affect our environment. Human activities causes the extinction of many plant and animal species, deforestation, the use of fossil fuel, industrial waste, and many types of pollution, and many other human activities that all contribute to climate change.
Did you know the average temperature of the Earth is determined by the greenhouse effect? Greenhouse gases are gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. When the sun passes through the atmosphere, the greenhouse gases absorb the radiation and prevent the heat from leaving the atmosphere. This is known as the greenhouse gases effect. They cause climate change by trapping heat, which in turn affects various species in already arid climates.
We humans only need to be willing to work together and take various initiatives to help avert climate change. We can save gas and reduce air pollution by walking and biking more. Planting more trees and plants can help because they absorb carbon dioxide, removing it from the air and replacing it with oxygen.
In addition to that, changing our waste narrative to slowly save the planet, we cannot blame that we consumers are all slaves to the capitalist society. Say this, for example. This is the green movement in one photo. Multi-billionaire companies that produce contaminants non-stop are, I think, to blame.
All of these has a significant negative impact on climate and the biosphere. Before anything is done and things remain as they are, humanity will become extinct to Earth's surface in the future. But if we address these issues rather than ignoring them, we can rescue our planet and our future.
We can't deny we all have a strong connection with nature. We must save and love the earth because this is where life only exists. We need to conserve our mother nature because all memories of life are embedded only here. We need to save this planet for us and for the next generation.